Emergency unfolded amid warning throughout southeast over dry and windy condition that exacerbates the wildfires. Fire officials on Sunday were battling to contain the blazes ravaging the South and the North Carolina, which have forced evacuation in some areas. The emergency unfolded amid warning throughout the southeast over dry and windy condition that exacerbate the wildfire. In North Carolina, the National Forest Service said fire crews were working to contain multiple wildfire burning on more than 400 acres in 4 forests across the state on Sunday. The largest, about 300 acres, that is 162 hectares, was an Unholy National Forest about in the 50-mile, that is the 80-kilometer range east of the Charlotte. Also, the Polk County, North Carolina officials set up an emergency shelter as a brush fire encompassing 400 to 500 acres swept an area between the communities of Tyrone and Saluda, about the 40 miles south of the Asheville. South and the social media platform that the Saluda Fire Department said that a downed power line on the US Highway 176 caused a brush fire that rapidly spread up into the mountains, threatening multiple structures. Tyrone and Saluda's fire department both led efforts to fight the blaze, and with the personnel from the North Carolina Forest Service as well as Polk, Henderson, Rutherford, Buncombe and the Spartanburg counties providing assistance, the Post said. The fire had zero containment as of Saturday night. In South Carolina, a brush fire was reported just west of the Myrtle Beach in the Carolina Forest. Horry County Rescue Fire reported ongoing evacuation due to the fire on early Sunday morning. The South Carolina Forestry Commission estimated Sunday afternoon that the blaze was burning about 1.9 square miles, that is 4.9 square kilometer, with 0% containment. No structure had succumbed to the blaze and no injuries have been reported as of Sunday morning, officials said. Our first responders and firefighters are risking their lives to contain many fires across the South Carolina tonight, McMaster said.